It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! Oh my gosh, I hope everyone's having a good day. Boy, was it cold last night. I turned the air off and slept with the windows open. It was feeling fall, chilly out, and I'm thinking about fall like all the time now, as if I weren't before. I'm always thinking about fall. So, Bath and Body Works today is doing their 350 soap sale. I'm going to share my favorite and least favorite fall soaps. And then we're going to talk about some Christmas candles. Holiday 2023, Tess just released a list, Life Inside the Page. I'll put her link below, but I wanted to talk about some of these. So, first of all, the soap sale. This is a really good deal. I think I'm going to place an order, especially if you have a 25% off coupon, which I do. So if you have that 25% off coupon, because there's no code, that's going to take it down to $262. I'm in need of more fall soap. I need more fall soap. I do, because this is going to go really fast. I'm always in need of soap. So fall soap, and then of course the 50% off, which is a really good deal. So I might sneak a couple more things in there. That was a really good deal. 50% off the Halloween, then the additional 25% off. So I'm going to go through these. Okay. My favorites are, this is like my number one favorite. I'm already down to like one of these. This is the Cherry Almond Shortbread, which we need in a body care. This is the vanilla shortbread, candied almond, and cherry. I love this one. It is totally gourmand. It is beautiful. The cherry and the almond and the shortbread mix in just like the perfect way. Oh, by the way, I have a new book coming out. I just published, it has to go through the review process, a fall body care candle inventory book. So I will be sharing that hopefully soon. As soon as it's up, I will let you guys know, but I'm so excited. I have to do a holiday book too. That's like next on my list. And then I want to do a big book, like a big everything. So I'm excited about that with 2024, I know, coming up. So new book coming. So yes, cherry almond shortbread, my absolute favorite. A couple of other really, really good ones. Ice caramel swirl. Just a little bit of a Christmas vibe to it, but it smells good. I mean, this one reminds me of Christmas, but it's really perfect. It's the salted caramel whipped cream with a hint of coffee. That is a good one. Others on my favorite list, autumn s'mores. Every year I say I'm going to make an autumn s'more. I gotta make Lenny make me an autumn s'more. I'm so bad with the cooking. I need an autumn s'more. Crisp apple, gooey marshmallow, and cinnamon spice. You think I could do that on my own? Basically, what I want to do is try like graham cracker, apple slices, and marshmallow, and like drizzle some chocolate on it. I think that would be really good. I think I could actually make a better autumn s'more. That sounds good too. Than the soap. I wish this one had more apple, but it's good. White coconut caramel, another one of my favorites. Usually I don't like coconut, but this one smells really good. I don't know why. This is a nice kind of folly, little hint of coconut. This is a really good one. Pumpkin apple, I'm all out of. I wish we would do, you know, the refillable cartons? I would totally buy that in pumpkin apple. Like, that's my thing. Afternoon autumn picking. This is a really good one going into September. Smells just like fresh apples. There's a little bit of cinnamon pear in this one, but it's a good one if you like apples. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I love this in the soap. If I can only have two soaps, I'd probably get pumpkin apple and sweet cinnamon pumpkin, just because those are like my favorites of, like, you know, the pumpkin and the apple for fall. Sweet whiskey. I like it in the soap. I don't like it in the candle. I love it in the body care. I've got my order coming. Sweet whiskey is always a win. Farmhouse pumpkin and spice. This is a new favorite for me. I do like this one. This is different than sweet cinnamon pumpkin because it has fall spices, heirloom pumpkin, and patchouli. If you like patchouli, you're going to want to get this one. I like this one. It's really good. The sugared maple lane, I like, but I wish it was more maple. This one has got the warm citrus sunshine in, which gives it a little bit of a different scent, but it's still really good. I gotta say, oops, right up my nose. I really like it. So that's a win. Oh, Harvest Gathering. This one is always a winner for me. I like the candle too. This one is great. This one is very fall. It is fresh picked apples, autumn berries, and clove buds. You get a little more clove in there. And then let me go through the list here of other ones. I like pumpkin pecan waffles. Add to bag. I need a pumpkin pecan. I'm like, add that to my bag. Let me see. What else am I shopping for right now? What else? Oh, marshmallow pumpkin latte. Why don't I have a marshmallow pumpkin latte? I'm going to get that one. Oh, pumpkin cupcake. I used my pumpkin cupcake. That's a good one. I'm going to get a mahogany apple. I want to review that one for you. I'm not sure. I can't remember if I love that one. Let's see. Oh, the Perfect Autumn. That's an online exclusive. That's in my cart. Oh, Green Cypress Trails. Did I do that one? I'm getting it. It's on my list. I like to get, Warm Amber and Cedar. Okay, that one's in the list. I like shopping and talking. The gel soap I like, but I prefer the foaming one. Let's see, what else am I getting today? Where's my pumpkin apple, you guys? I need pumpkin apple. Afternoon apple picking. Chasing Fireflies. Flannel. Sunshine and Lemons. Autumn foliage is good. I'm getting another autumn foliage. Where's pumpkin apple, you guys? Vampire Blood. White Orchid Woods. I think I got that one. I'm gonna get another Vampire Blood. I have the need for Halloween. Okay, where is pumpkin apple, you guys? Oh, Autumn Rainfall. These are new. Autumn Rainfall, Raspberry Jam. I didn't get those last time. Oh, there's Pumpkin Cupcake. That was the one with the rabbit that totally looks like Easter. Oh my gosh. Where is Sweet Cinnamon? Okay, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. You know, oh, there it is, my pumpkin apple. I'm like, where is it? Okay, I'm gonna get 2 of those because I need my pumpkin apple. Okay. And then we move on to, red cherry and oud. I'm going to get one of those. What am I up to? I've got 12. That's okay. I'm getting 12 soaps. Okay, so soap that I don't like in the fall, then we're going to talk about some of these Christmas candles. So, cranberry orange seltzer, not a fan. Not a fan. I don't know why. There's something weird about this one. The orange is not authentic. I don't know. I'm just totally not digging that one. Vanilla matcha latte is the most disappointing scent ever. It is fresh matcha, vanilla syrup, and a splash of milk. I think this is up there with Stinky Kitty, you guys. I don't know what the heck this thing is. It's a tea, but it must be a tea that I don't like. I'm not loving that one at all. It's got a almost grotesque smell to me. I don't like it. Maybe someone likes it. I don't know. And then ironically, I don't love leaves in the soap. I'm still using it in the body care. I love it in the body care. I don't love it in the soap. I don't know why. This is such a Scooby-Doo mystery to me. Why I don't love it in the soap or the candle, but I love it in the body care. I prefer Harvest Gathering over leaves, and I prefer the afternoon apple picking for the fall soap. So lots to choose from. I don't like stuff like Lakeside Life. That one is not sweater weather. It doesn't do anything for me. A lot of those really flannel. I don't like flannel. Mountain Teakwood is a no for me. So, I mean, it has to do a little bit with my personal taste, obviously. I mean, you know me, I prefer all of the foodie scents. You know what? Vanilla Matcha Latte has got 12 5-stars. So apparently someone said disgusting. Thank you. It stinks. It's bad. That's me. It stinks. Gagged immediately. That's how I felt about it. But a lot of people are it smells just like a vanilla matcha latte. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. I don't like it. I think it stinks. So, yeah, that's a definite no. So, don't forget the soap sale, and don't forget while you're shopping the soap sale to kind of peruse that 50% off, because there's a lot of good stuff in here still. Let me do a little sort here under new arrivals. Like I said, that spooky skeleton hand. Oh, the holographic frame portrait is now sold out. The three-wick candle holder, the pumpkin with the skull, the snake and roses. I'm gonna get one of those. I'm getting another snake and rose because that's like $7. The chalice. I don't know. I keep adding stuff to my cart for Halloween. I gotta stop. I got so much Halloween. So check out the soap if you have the 25% off coupon, $262, and then add a couple Halloween things in. So, Tess, holiday 2023 candles, starting a list. These are the newest finds out there. Of course, your, staples, winter candy, apple, vanilla bean, Noel, under the Christmas tree, twisted peppermint, sugared pomegranate, spiced citrus grove, raspberry thumbprint. Is that like a cookie? I'm hoping that's a cookie. Pure Wonder, peppermint hot cocoa. That's a re-release. Iced winter balsam, holiday, happy Hanukkah. I was happy to see happy Hanukkah, Feliz Navidad, crunchy English toffee. That's a new one. Bright Christmas morning, frosted coconut snowball, fresh baguette. That's exciting. Crunchy English toffee. Oh, that was what I said. Cocoa roasted chestnuts. That's always like kind of exciting to see a roasted chestnut. However, I've been like all over the, Instagram, Bath and Body Works threads. And what I'm seeing is there is not a lot of new at the moment for candles at Bath and Body Works. I feel like Goldenberry Mistletoe, Gingerbread Bakery, those are kind of new. But I really feel like there's just a lot of repackaging going on. We said that last year, and I'm kind of afraid we're going to get a lot of repackage this year. Goldenberry Mistletoe is supposed to be a cream-colored candle with stripes and a sparkle tree border. I don't know. I've kind of seen a couple of these online. I'm not quite ready for Christmas, so I'm not going full out. I had to do Kringle candle. Christmas, which, by the way, I'm burning my root beer candle right now, only because they're releasing on the 7th of September. But yeah, lots of stuff still rolling in for fall everywhere. So we got a lot to talk about. I'm going to be doing a lot of fall. This is when fall gets exciting. Right after Labor Day, it's all about fall. I'd like to take all of my stuff on the patio for fall and do a huge video. We'll see if I can make that happen at some point. I got to do my big Halloween video. Every Halloween product, Bath & Body Works this year. There's like 100 things. We're going to go over everything. So hope everyone's having a good Tuesday, and I will be back with more videos. I'll see you in a few. Bye-bye.